Fragmented systems, disconnected data, complex operations.
ProfileOne changes that.
One AI orchestration platform, connecting data, workflows, and decisions across the institution. A complete customer 360. AI-powered insights that anticipate needs. Smarter customer engagement that drives results.
Investment intelligence, lending, orchestrated end-to-end. Faster decisions, seamlessly executed. Built for regulated financial institutions where AI stays accountable and humans stay in charge.
AI agents take on the complex work. Your teams set the direction, ensuring governed execution.
Identify,
Explain,
resolve.
fully auditable.
One intelligent operating environment.
Human governs.
AI executes.
ProfileOne orchestrates.